What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create journals to sell on Amazon KDP absolutely for free. So let's get right to it. First of all, you'll need to go to the Amazon KDP website in order to calculate your cover size to design on Canva. So first of all, go to Google and then type in Amazon KDP cover calculator and then click on the first link here, the KDP cover calculator. In this page, you'll be able to generate a calculation for the width and height of your cover based on your number of pages and the page size. So the binding type for this, I'll select paperback, interior type black and white, paper type white paper, page turn left to right, measurement units inches, and the interior trim size, let's say 6x9. And now the page count, that's pretty important to enter the exact number of pages because it'll calculate the partition in the middle that'll contain the pages. I'll show you later. So let's say 100 pages. Okay, and then click on calculate dimensions. It'll calculate the dimensions, so the full cover, numbers, width and height. Be sure to memorize them or save them as we'll use them in Canva. And then what you want to do, so this section is the number 7, that's the what will be holding the pages. So the width of this compartment will be determined by number of pages, so make sure you enter the number of pages right. Now what I want to do is to download this template, and what we will import it in Canva to design our use it as like a background, used as a background to design our dimensions for the cover. So here I downloaded and extracted it here in this folder. As you can see, it's in PNG. I have the PNG photo. We will import that later in Canva. Now leave this tab open and then go to Canva. And in Canva, what we want to do first, if you want to go and like get inspiration, you can search for journals here in Canva, and you see many ideas for pages of journals. And let's say I want to create a fitness tracking journal. So let's enter a fitness journals fitness. Okay, there aren't like that many or any actually for fitness. However, I'm just seeing some ideas for designing or for journal designs. So now let's go and create a design. First of all, we want to create the cover, so a custom design. Now for the width and the height, first we will set the unit to inches, as we did with the Amazon KDP calculator. Now you want to copy the width here, the width value, copy it, paste it here. Now the height value, when also we want to copy it from here and paste it in here, and then create our new design. So that will be the design for the cover itself. That'll hold the pages inside. It'll generate a blank canvas right here. Now what we want to do is to upload, click here in the uploads to upload our cover like template. So it's in the download here, paperback. Okay, you want to upload the PNG version. Let's open it. And now it's uploading, as you can see here. And once it's uploaded, we can drag and drop it right here, and then expand it to fill the page, all the page right here. Okay, now want to add a background, so elements, let's say background. You can add background images or like designs or frames. So let's add like photos, and you can also add graphics. So let's see all the graphics. Let's say I like this one, so I'll drag it right here on the top and then expand it to just fill in all the cover. Okay, this looks good. And the middle part, which it will be like in the back or between the front and the back cover is like the source of the light, emitting light, so that's pretty cool. Let's add another photo. Okay, let's remove this. Let's go back and then choose photos so you can fill in the blank spot. Let's add this black one. Okay, and let's move it. Let's move it backwards. Send backwards. Okay, and actually let's fill it in or make it bigger first, then move it to the back. I forgot to do so. Now let's send it backwards. The layers send backwards. And what we want to do right here is to lower the opacity a bit to see the front and back covers so that we can add elements in the front and on the back. So let's add text here to the front for the title of the book. Okay, let's name it My Fitness Journal. And we wanna edit the text style, so let's click here on the font. And we wanna choose like a good cool font. Let's say this one or this one. Okay, I like this one. Let's increase the text size. Let's enter like 70. Okay, looking good. Now let's add some view some effects. Let's add a shadow. Okay. And now let's add some elements. Let's add like let's search for fitness. Let's see what it'll give us. So we want graphics, so we want to add some graphic elements. Okay, this photo looks good. Let's add it to the back. And let's change the color to make it white because the background is black. And let's rotate it a bit. Okay. Now let's go back. Let's add this graphic of people working out. And let's add this element as well. So like food and fitness. Let's add it here. Let's move the workout people right here. Okay, you can play around. Let's add the dumbbell right here. Let's change the color also to white. Now you can play around with the design as you wish. Let's increase the text size right here so it fills up all the front cover. And now to make the background black again, let's choose it from the position. Choose this one, the background, and then click on the transparency and let's make it black as it was. Okay, now we forgot to make the title white. So text color, let's make it white. Okay, looking good there. Now, let's create the pages. So we will save this cover as it is right now. So let's click on save, download. And we want the quality to be as big as possible, as high as possible. And now we want to download it, and we can download it as an image, as a PNG image, and we can use it as our cover. Now let's go back and create the pages themselves. So wait for this to download. Now let's go back to our home, or Canva home, and then we want to create a new design, custom design. Custom design. And this time, let's make it inches. This time we want to enter the 6x9 size that we choose for our pages in the Amazon KDP. So let's go ahead and create a new design. And here you can pretty simply search in the elements, search for lines. Or actually, first in the design, let's search for journal. So that if we want to import a ready-made template, journal template. Okay. let's say I want to make a journal for the weight loss and like calories journal. So let's import this design. Okay, it's pretty much the perfect size. Now for the background, let's remove the background or change the background color. I'll just remove it so it's on white paper. And now we can duplicate the page as many times as we want. So actually 100 times, because we want 100 pages journal. We chose the number of pages to be 100. And now we can go ahead and edit, like let's say fitness, sorry for highlighted text, fitness journal. Let's align it in the middle here. We can edit the date, so we can create a page for each month, for example. And now let's delete these elements in the calendar. I don't want to add text. Okay. Once you are finished deleting each of the element, you can go ahead and then add your own elements. So for here, let's keep the calendar as this. For note, let's say here the weight tracker, for example. And now let's click on the background itself to expand it. Okay, now the calories tracker. Okay, here like the workout, the yoga, the eat clean. Let's leave these as they are right now. And now you want to duplicate this page like 100 times, and then you can share it. You can save it as like a PDF. Here, not a photo because we have different pages. You can click here, share, then download. You can download it here as a, let's click on the PNG. You can download it as a PDF standard or a PDF print so that it has all the pages, and then your journal is ready. All you can do now is upload it on Amazon and start selling it. So that's how easy it is to use Canva to design and create your journal to sell on Amazon KDP.